Well, hey there, girlfriend. Are you a busy professional that values her opinion and would love to rock your uniqueness with Mary Kay? Well, then this video is for you, and we're so excited to connect with you today, and we will see you inside. Well, hey there, girlfriend. Ingafay here. We're super excited to be here with you today, and we are going to talk about how to create a flawless face in just 5 minutes without complicated techniques. I know you're busy, girl. We want to make sure that you look gorgeous and that you're really rocking your uniqueness, rocking all of your God-given attributes. So we have three things, or really three quick steps that are going to allow you to do just that. So what I'm going to do is talk you through a tutorial video that I did earlier to show you exactly how to do this so you can rock your uniqueness like I did in this video. So let's get started. Okay, come on. All right, so in this video, I'm starting off with foundation. Now, foundation is the base of your look. What we're doing is actually making what I call a foundation smoothie. I started off with some finishing spray. I put in the foundation. I added some foundation primer as well as loose powder, and then I apply it on my face with a foundation brush. You notice that I am using downward strokes so I can lay my facial hair down, and then I'm just putting this all over my face. Now, this is the way I like to put on foundation. As you can see, it quickly can be applied, and it allows you to have all of the necessary ingredients to allow your foundation to last all day. Now, this is a liquid foundation that I'm using, and I use a pressed powder that is the same color as my complexion. So I'm just applying this in downward strokes all over my face, making sure that I have great coverage and that all of my imperfections are hidden. Now I am going on to the eyebrows, just filling in my eyebrows. You know, the eyebrows shape your face. So just using an eyebrow pencil, it's a dark brunette to really fill in the eyebrows and give me a nice frame. Now I'm moving on to the one and done eyeshadow. I'm applying the shiny penny onto my eye. As you can see, just quickly going through. We're probably at the 1 minute, maybe 1.5 minute mark right now. So it's really allowing me to show you how quickly I'm applying this. Now next, I'm going to apply a black eyeliner just on the top of my lid, right really close to my lash line. I'm also going to give it a little tail just for a nice little spice of a look that you can add if you like to do that as well. A little tail on the end. And then I just do that same thing on the other eye. So we've applied the foundation. We have done one and done eyeshadow and eyeliner, and we are probably up under 2 minutes right now. We're going to do it at the bottom as well with the little tail. Just really wanted to add some spice. Now that we have that on, we're going to move on to the mascara. One of the things I like to do when I apply the mascara is blink, because it really allows me to coat every inch of my lash from the tip all the way to the base. So you can do that as well. Just kind of blink as you are applying your mascara. I also like to turn my mascara brush to really make sure that I am getting every stitch of length that I could possibly get out of my wimpy lashes. And then we're going to do that same thing on the other eye. Just continue to blink and really allow the mascara to coat my lashes so I can get the maximum benefit from the mascara and have the pop the mascara is going to give me. I'm also going to just kind of brush across the bottom of my lashes so I can also get the lashes at the bottom of my eye. Again, just making sure that I have covered everything. So the eyes are done. We're ready to go. Now we're going to move on to the lipstick, ladies. We're almost finished with the look. This is an appleberry that I applied to my lips, and we're done. All right. So yeah, you can do that same thing as well. just if you want, I figured I wanted to, since I did it so quickly, I wanted just to add a little bit more color in this video. This is espresso that I applied in my crease just to give the eyeshadow some depth. So if you want to add a little spice to your look as well, if you've already, I mean, I was under 4 minutes when I did this, so I was just like, let me just go ahead and just add a little spice to it. You don't have to do this. Just make sure that when you do add the second eye color, you do want to blend, because that's what makes it give a really nice look. That is the end, ladies, and I just wanted to share that with you. So just know that. Let's talk really quickly about the items that I use. I use the matte. I did my foundation first. That was finishing spray, my actual foundation color. I also put in some foundation primer and a flesh tone loose powder. Mixed it up and applied it with the foundation brush. The next thing I did was the eyeshadow with the eyeliner as well as mascara. The eyeshadow color was the Shiny Penny. And then I gave an extra spice in the end with some espresso to give my eyeshadow depth, using a blending brush to blend all of the colors together so they look nice at the end. And then last but definitely not least, I topped off the look with an appleberry lip color. Now, I didn't add blush. I'm really not a blush girl. So if you want to do blush, you can, or you could just do like I did, just do your eyes and lips. Make sure you have your foundation to give you a flawless look and just keep it moving. So I'm hoping that this was a benefit to you. Of course, if you have any questions or concerns, just drop those down in the chat. I hope that this will help you have your flawless look in 5 minutes, because I know you're busy, but you value your appearance. So let me know if you have any questions. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.